So how we can install Apache Maven? We can type Maven inside search engine and we can find Apache Maven page. Here we can read some information about Maven, what it is, and here is some installation. So for Windows we can install using chocolatier. For Linux we can apt install, dnf install, yum install, and for macOS homebrew. So SDK man, yes, sure, some different opportunities we have. For Windows, we also can just download archive and unzip it, and then add bin directory to Maven path. For installation, it requires Java, so we need to add this variable for Java. So how to do it? Let's copy. Uh, Here we can type env. So when we type env, it open system environment variables. So here is environment variables. So we can new and this Java home and path to it. So I already have this. So you can see Java home here. Okay. Next, this is user variable. This is system variable. I have this variable too. So you can also create using this and paste path. This is requires a folder where or your JDK. Okay, let's close it for now. So let's download this. Here is system requirements, files, daemon, auto releases. So in files, we can see that we have dar archive, zip archive, binary, and we also have source dar and source zip. Source, this is a lot of small Maven projects. Yes, this is Java code. This is binary. This is our installation which we need. So let's press and download it. So now we can open it. So and let's copy it to our Maven folder. I save it to from previous installation and removed last Maven from here. So here we have bin folder where is our executable files. So let's copy this path, and as mentioned in instruction, we need to unzip, then add bin directory to the path. For Windows, we need to press env. So okay, environment variables, and here is uh, here is path, and here is all our old installation. We replace this part with our new installation. Okay, and as I remember earlier, we have Java home, and here we also have Java home and path. Okay, so here we need to update Maven, this one. So let's update. Okay, okay. So now we can open prompt, Let's try. It not recognized because it in old context we don't see changes. So let's run again command prompt and run mvn where. So I think it's see our new version. Okay, so let's continue. Uh, well, when you work with Maven, you can uh, possibly for organization you need to update configuration. So here is developer settings, which you can update where it should be in .m2 folder. So here is disk C, user, and M2. Here is settings file. So you can see, so here you can configure settings to private repository. So this is video very useful, and here you can find see all configuration and how to use it. Next, in IntelliJ if we can navigate to settings, here we have build tools, Maven. So here is Maven. Each this idea, IntelliJ IDEA has built it inside it Maven. So if you want to use your new Maven, so let's navigate and for to disk C, Maven. Okay, okay, disk C. Here is Maven. Maven. What it can see, maybe because I install it later. Okay, I close it and open again, and also okay. So we open our idea. Let's navigate to settings. Here is Maven wrapper, and if we want to use Otter Maven, Otter Maven. So here it is, Otter Maven. Okay, so it understands that we want to use another version, and so we want to use user settings file. So it automatically understand that it is in .m2 uh, directory but and repository. But if you want to change, you can press override and select other settings. So this is up to you. Then you need to apply and okay. So we for Eclipse, of course, we can do the same. Here is preferences, Maven. Here is installations, and it has all embedded. We can add our installation hood, and we can select our Maven. this one. Okay, so finish. So this one, and we can this also use this one and apply. So that's all.